Not much of one, but he's got one.
All these bags have got names. Do they necessarily?
Okay, so I
Are
will
they all
right here. Let me
interchangeable in their function?
walk over here.
Yes.
Yes, Trouble. Ooh, just like aim, I've got you a few things.
Hello, this is pole dancer.
Nuxai, do you want to join the voice call?
Captain Sanders' booty bag.
Nuxai. Said what disc are you in?
Oh shit, we're in the VIG Discord.
I can.
Eddie.
I think he has Vig.
Delete. Yeah, y'all don't want to see my amount of mail that I have right now. Like, it's a lot of mail. It's legitly ridiculous.
Nuxai, aren't you in Vig yet? Okay. Hold on. There.
Hey, pole dancer.
Hello.
Yeah, nuts.
You there.
Now,
Oh,
why
Aim, I
can
have
not
potions for you
equip
as
my
well,
reagent
apparently.
bag? It's come up grey.
You have to have a certain bag to do the reagent. You can't use the regular. It has to be a specific reagent bag.
I do have a reagent bag. It's greyed out when I hover over it, and it says equip
Yes, because
reagent
it's
bag.
empty.
Okay.
Maybe.
Now I've got
Aim
Captain
is seriously
Sanders'
about to kill
booty
me.
bag. How do I get rid of the bag because it's empty? I want to.
Trouble, you don't get rid of the bag because it's empty. You can't. Just leave it alone.
But I want to change it out for a better one.
I can't carry any more of those.
I understand it. Okay, that's just gonna have to go because I am not carrying any more brew. Okay. Now I can go in. Aim, just remember I love you and do not kill me.
I'm the one that has to worry about getting killed by you, by the way.
Not necessarily, Nux. Aim has got control of the guild bank. She's the one that organizes it. And I'm about to drop shit off in the guild bank. So I'm the one that has to worry about dying.
Oh, I just started organizing today.
Alright, well, we'll see how it looks.